So hey guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to tell you that how can you get free Python courses on Udemy. So first of all, as you know, you have to install Udemy app on your mobile phone, on your PC, etc. And then you have just to register there with your right credentials, and then you just have to open it. Then just have to tap on search and then select the category Python. After that you have to tap on these three dots or lines, that is filter, and then you have just to select a filter as free and then just have to apply. After that you will get thousands of courses which are free of cost available for all of you. You just have to install this and then just select any of these course and then just click. After that you have to enroll now, and then just you have got all these free course and get started.
Welcome to this course. I hope you are excited.
It's so simple guys, and if you want such more videos on free courses, then please complete a target of 100 likes on this video, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified, and thanks for watching.